The 200-watt portable solar panel kit boasts impressive monocrystalline cells that achieve a conversion efficiency of 23.5%, making it highly effective for generating power even in less than ideal lighting conditions. This solar panel kit is equipped with a versatile 5-in-1 solar charging cable, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of power stations and enabling direct charging of 12-volt batteries. Designed for convenience, the solar panel is foldable and comes with a stylish carrying bag, making it easy to store and transport during camping or RV trips. The robust IP68 waterproof rating and tempered glass surface enhance the panel's durability, allowing it to withstand harsh outdoor conditions and resist impacts, scratches, and cracks. To ensure safe and reliable charging, the included 20-ampere PWM controller offers multiple protections, such as overcharge and short-circuit protection, although it should be kept away from water. With a comprehensive set of accessories and a 5-year warranty, this portable solar panel kit provides a reliable and efficient solution for on-the-go energy needs.